Welcome back. Here we are on graphing sine and cosine. We're on the third day. And notice for the first time now right here, we've got something in parentheses which we haven't had. This is the horizontal shift. Okay? This means we're not going to start at 0 with our sine. We're going to start at something else. So over here, let's do A, B, C, D, E, I. Well, A is 2, just to remind you. So we've got B is 3. C is whatever it takes to make this 0. So it's positive 30, not negative. That's degrees, of course. Let's see, D is 5. E is 360 over 3, which is 120. I is E divided by 4, which is 120 divided by 4, which is 30. Okay? And now we can graph it. Get your max center and the min line. Go out here somewhere in the middle and draw you a sine wave. So there's a pretty good sine wave right there. Yeah. Here's our increments. Let's see, our center line is 5. You can start putting these in here anytime you want to. That's 7, this is 3. So somewhere down here on the bottom is 0 for the x-axis. And let's see, we're going to start at 30. We start here. This is the one we start on. We start on 30. And we go by 30, 60, add 30, 90, add 30, 120, add 30, 150. And notice from 30 to 150, it's 120. Those are all degrees. You can put little degrees up there if it makes you feel better. There we go. Okay? So now notice we've got all of this labeled. We've got our x-axis, we've got all those numbers. However, we don't have the y-axis. Oh no. So when we extend this thing, always extend it with a dotted line, because we would need to move over 30 more to get to 0. And there's your y-axis. So you want to put your x and y-axis in usually at the end. And this is a horizontal shift because we didn't start at 30. So you just have to count back. This increment right here is negative 30, but we didn't need to go there. But we could if we wanted to. And I mean, this one right here would be 30 more than that. That's 180. And so on both ways, because this thing just continues forever. And there's that first one. We added in the horizontal shifter. C was not 0 this time. And we will return.